the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. It is not to be seen. It is self-luminous and has no planetary concern. Its view is the root, the basis of all things. It is not connected to anything that we do not see. It is solitary. This is the treasury in which our view is equal to the vastness of space. This ambrosia is not associated with clingings or attachments, and is not connected with hopes and fears about obstructions. It is like an elephant entering the water. This is the treasury of practice that does not reject things or take them up. We attain this by ourselves. It is the best of empowerments. We do not traverse the paths and levels. We are like the egg-born chicks of a Garuda. This is the treasury of the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture. There is nothing to do. It has been done already from the primordial. The good works of this self-luminescence, where there is nothing to do, are there by themselves, without our abandoning anything. This is the treasury of spontaneously formed good deeds. Our bodies, speech, and minds have been self-luminescent from the primordial, and were not born into the mandala of the uncontrived self-luminosity of non-conceptual samadhi. This is the treasury of the great mandala of the unborn. Wisdom that is knowledge is self-evident, but we use the three ways of excellent understanding to engage it. We hold the treasure of secret wisdom. This is the treasury of uncontrived self-luminous wisdom. There appear to be 9, but they are perfected as one. There is a big difference. The gathering of these 9 precious treasuries is equal to a mound of jewels. It opens up everything. We have found the treasure of a trove of jewels. Through the blessings of the pervasive and encompassing sky, the mandala of 1,000 suns appears, and through this self-evident awareness that is solitary, we have specific thoughts regarding our power of control. It is like the smoke of a single fire coming out from the holes in a roof. There is one, but there appears to be many. Our awareness links up with things according to the intentions of their sphere.